Hey guys, Amir here and you're watching Amir Khan HD. In this video I am going to do an unboxing and complete review of Redmi Note 5 Pro. After trying out my hands on the last 4 sale, I was able to get the Redmi Note 5 Pro on the 5th sale, and finally I was able to do a review of it on my channel Amir Khan HD. So now let's do a quick unboxing of it. So in the box you get a black color cover for your brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is very glossy and transparent one with a little black color. Now here it is, the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the black variant. Finally I was able to get a hands on it. So it looks very classy in the black color compared to all colors, and I really love this black color on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's keep the phone aside. In the box you get an instruction guide and a user manual for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Also you get a USB charging cable and a 5V 2A charging adapter plus a SIM ejector pin in the box. As you can see here, the setup of the phone is completed, and at the back side it has got a 12MP plus 5MP dual rear camera, and the camera bump is similar to iPhone X. It has also got a fingerprint sensor. At the left side it has dual SIM card tray plus a micro SD card, and at the bottom you can see there is a speaker and a charging port plus a microphone and a headphone jack. So on the top side it has got an IR blaster and a noise cancellation microphone. With the help of this IR blaster you can use your phone as a remote for any smart TV or any devices. On the top front side it has got a speaker plus a 20 megapixel front camera and a proximity sensors. On the right side it has got volume up and volume down button plus a power button. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro looks very slim compared to its previous version of phones such as Redmi Note 3 and Redmi Note 4. The phone looks very classy in black color, and it has back design similar to iPhone X. Now coming to the display of the phone has got 5.99 inch 18:9 Full HD display with 403 ppi. As you can see here, here is a video sample I am playing on my Redmi Note 5 Pro, and the video quality is top notch, and the sound produced by the speaker of the phone is very good compared to other phones in this price range, and the display is just awesome friends. You can easily go for this phone for price segment under 15,000 rupees. Now coming to the viewing angles of the phone, here you can see the viewing angles are very good, almost very good friends. As you can see here, there is no blackness produced on the screen if we are viewing the display from the different angles. While you are playing any video on YouTube on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, you get this problem that video is not playing on full screen. If you want to play this video on full screen, download this video and play this video on MX Player, and you can view this video full screen on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. The phone has got Android 7.1.1 Nougat version, a MIUI 9.2 and a 1 GHz octa-core CPU plus a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage. The fingerprint sensor of the phone works like a charm and unlocks your phone within 1 second of touching the fingerprint sensor. So as you can see here, I am touching the fingerprint sensor and phone gets locked within 1 second. Also there is a face unlock feature which is similar to iPhone 10. What you have to do is you have to add your photo in this face unlock feature, and if you press the power button and face the front camera to your face, the phone will get unlocked within seconds. As you can see here, I have gave a 3 to 4 tries and it was successful, and the phone was unlocked successfully. The back cover which you get in the box is very good, and the covers your phone almost 360 degree, and it is very glossy and shiny cover with black color finish, and this looks good while it is on your phone. Now let's do a quick specification of this phone. The phone has got Snapdragon 635 14nm octa-core processor, 5.99 inch 18:9 Full HD display, 4GB or 6GB of DDR4 RAM, 4000 mAh battery and a 64GB of storage. It has got a 12MP plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera plus a 20 megapixel front camera. I'm going to do a quick camera review of this phone. You can watch the full camera review of this phone with the link given in the description. This is the video I have shot using a Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this you can record a full HD video using Redmi Note 5 Pro. The autofocus works very good in Redmi Note 5 Pro, which leads to a good clarity video in a full HD. Here are some of the samples of portrait shots using Redmi Note 5 Pro, and here you can see the blur effect and depth effect is awesome, and the focus on the object is very good. This one is a front camera sample without depth in effect or portrait mode, and this picture is with portrait mode, so you can see the difference between depth effect and without depth effect. Overall, I can say that the Redmi Note 5 Pro has best camera under the price segment of 15,000 rupees mobile phones. Now as you can see here, I am clicking the photo in the portrait mode, and let's see what will be the result here. So as you can see here, the focus on the object is very good and the side portions of the object are blurred very excellently, as you can see here. Now coming to the front camera of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Redmi Note 5 Pro takes a lead compared to Mi A1. As you can see here, this one is a portrait mode depth in effect picture, and you can see here the background is blurred. So Redmi Note 5 Pro has three modes, which one is normal mode, one is portrait mode, and another one is a beauty mode. So here you can see this one is a picture click in a normal mode, and this one is in a depth in effect mode. That's all in this video, guys. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel Amir Khan HD. Thanks for watching.